Have you ever felt the frustration of a laptop freezing just as you are about to save a complex 3D model? In the world of AutoCAD and specialized 3D design, precision and stability are everything. Today, we are ranking the top 3 laptops that are guaranteed to keep your drafting smooth and your design flawless. And all this laptop will cost you under 75,000 rupees. For all the laptops, I have provided a link in the description and also tagged in this video. If you have any queries related to buying any new laptop, you can comment in the comment section. I will reply you there. MSI Cyborg 15. MSI Cyborg 15 is a great entry for 3D design work because it features a 144Hz display that makes moving around 3D space feel incredibly fluid. It is equipped with the Intel Core i5 processor with a 16GB of DDR5 RAM. The battery life is around 5 hours and the build quality is unique with a semi-transparent design. This laptop deserves a place because it offers high-speed RAM, which is vital for handling large DWG files. It is suitable for AutoCAD users because the high refresh rate screens makes the precise clicking and dragging much easier. Online review highlights that it is a very fast and responsive machine for technical drawing. HP Victus 16. The HP Victus 16 offers a large screen and a more powerful cooling system, which is perfect for extended 3D modeling sessions. It features the Ryzen 7 processor and dedicated NVIDIA GPU for 3D acceleration. The battery life is roughly 6 hours and the build quality is durable and comes with a professional look. This laptop deserves the second spot because of the 16-inch screen provides extra room needed for complex toolbars and menus. It is suitable for AutoCAD users because it can handle both 2D drafting and 3D modeling without any performance drops. Reviews online praise the thermal management, which keeps the laptops quiet during heavy use. Lenovo EloQ Generation 10. Our number one pick for AutoCAD and 3D design is the Lenovo EloQ Generation 10. This 2026 powerhouse features the Intel Core i7 processor and the RTX 4050 GPU, which is perfect combination for specialized 3D software. The battery life is around 5 hours and the build quality is professional and sturdy. This laptop deserves the top spot because its GPU is optimized for the latest version of AutoCAD and SolidWorks. It is suitable for the specialized designers because it offers the most stable performance for complex assemblies and high-resolution drafting. Online reviews indicate that the laptop is the most reliable choice for professional engineers and designers on Flipkart. So these are the 3 amazing laptops for 3D design and for AutoCAD.